This is Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients who underwent the Deuk laser disc repair on his neck just yesterday. How you feeling?
I'm feeling better, a lot better. Already, after years of chronic neck pain, I'm already feeling better within 24 hours.
So is the pain that you had when you came here, do you still have that pain?
Not that pain, it's just, I think, a little bit from the surgery itself, but it seems like a lot of the numbness and the tingling in my hands went away, and already starting to feel a lot better.
Now you had a fusion done before, not by me, and you can see the scar there. And then you had the laser surgery done yesterday. And how would you compare the two experiences?
Night and day. I actually, when I had the fusion, had to go back to the hospital with complications, and it just took a long time to recover from that. So this was much, much better.
Now, your fusion on your neck was done by a pretty famous neurosurgeon, right?
Correct.
Even with him doing it, there were still issues.
Yes.
What kind of problems did you have with the fusion?
Well, I went there for the numbness in the hand and still the chronic pain that I've had for many, many years. And it seemed to take away the numbness in my hand, but the pain was still there. So I spent many, many years going to chiropractors. I've had injections, I've had massage therapy, physical therapy. And it, most of them gave a little bit of relief.
Did any of them get rid of your pain?
Not completely, no. Just kind of made it bearable.
And is your pain gone now?
It's certainly getting there. I'm thinking probably within a week it'll all be gone.
And your surgery was done, even though you had a metal plate in your neck from your prior fusion, we were able to work around the plate and get in there and fix those discs, especially the C3-4, which was, you can see a lot of herniated disc material in there that was causing most of your symptoms. So I'm happy you're doing so well. And you had it outpatient, so you didn't even have to go to the hospital.
Correct. Yeah. Left in about an hour and a half.
What are you going to do now that we fixed your neck?
Well, I'm going to take care of it for the prescribed 6 weeks, and then hopefully I can start getting back to a normal life, be able to get back to golf and things I like to do. Dr. Deuk and his processes here and everything's amazing. If you have a lot of chronic neck pain or back pain, I would highly suggest coming to him.
Awesome. All right, my friend. Congratulations.